Hey, what's up, guys? I'm over here working on this garage. Got all the walls sanded down. A lot of work, man. I didn't mud it, so whoever put it on fucking put too much, man. Shit's been unfinished since like the 70s. I was hearing the schmut on the door. And now I'm done with the walls. It ended here. Piece put in, but now I'm on the ceiling, and you can see, like, you can see how bad that fucking mud is. And there's where I sanded. It's just on too fucking heavy. But I got the whole ceiling done over to here. I still got from here, there, and over to here, just a little bit over here. It's about 2 garage door widths. This is the biggest section back here. That's all done. From here, the garage doors, the motor's back is done. So I'm cleaning up now. You can see it's all over my arms. It starts turning into, I don't know what you call it. I start sweating. There's the debris on the ground. Look how heavy. I've already emptied the shop vac once since I've been here. And I've only been here for a couple hours. But yeah, nice little project after work. I already worked 8 hours, so I'm cleaning up. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Peace.